In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to release scores in Google Forms after a manual review. This process is especially useful if you've been manually checking responses and are now ready to share results with your respondents. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to head over to Google Drive. If you aren't already signed in, make sure you do so with your Google account. Once you're in Google Drive, take a look at the top right corner where you'll see a menu icon that says Apps. Give that a click. From there you'll see various app options, one of which is Google Forms. Click on the Forms icon and this will take you to a list of any forms you have created or have access to. Now it's time to select the form you wish to review. Click on the specific form that you want to work with. This will open up the form and you'll be able to manage all your settings and responses from here. Once your form is loaded, look near the top to find the Responses tab and click on it. This tab is where all submitted responses are collected. It's a handy place to manage everything related to responses, including the scores. Now that you're looking at responses, you'll notice there's an individual tab. By selecting this, you can view each submission one by one, which is great for manual grading or reviewing individual responses. After you complete your review and determine the scores, you need to locate the Release Score button. Clicking on this will prompt you to a new screen where you can proceed to send out these scores. The next step is to choose the recipients for these scores. You'll need to select their email addresses. If the emails were collected during the form submission process, these will automatically appear. Simply select the emails to which you'd like the scores sent. This feature is beneficial for selectively releasing information to individuals or groups depending on your preference or requirements. Finally, complete the process by clicking on Send Emails and Release. This action will send out an automated email to your selected recipients with their scores. It's a seamless process, but make sure everything is correct and reviewed, as there's no going back once emails are sent. And there you have it, an easy way to release scores after manually reviewing them in Google Forms. By following these steps, you can effectively manage responses and provide participants with feedback or results. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to check out other videos for more helpful tips on using Google